morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our series of reviews for the comparison of a medical grade device, okay, compared with our smartwatch when it comes to health sensors. So what we have here, okay, is the Kospet Tank M1, okay, one of the most durable smartwatch in the market, and as the description says, it is built like a tank, very durable, looking good mechanical type, okay, feel, okay, and of course very good waterproof rating. I guess it passed the military standard for waterproof rating. Okay, so we have here the Kospet Tank M1, and now we are going to compare the blood pressure as well as the blood oxygen, or I mean the heart rate, with this Omron medical grade device. Okay, so let's try and check. Okay, so we already attached the airbag, and this is our machine now. It's ready, our device. So let's check first our blood pressure as well as the heart rate, and see also the results of the Kospet Tank M1. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so let's wait. It is now checking our blood pressure as well as the heart rate. After this, we're going to check our heart rate as well as the blood pressure with a Kospet Tank M1. Okay, so it features the blood oxygen, heart rate, and blood pressure monitoring. So we will see whether the results are close to the Omron, okay, medical grade health monitoring. So we have 117/81, and we have 76 per minute. Okay, so let's have this. Okay, let's wear and see the results. Okay, remember the results here. Okay, so let's wear this one. Okay, let's go with the blood pressure first. Okay, okay, so let's check. We have 117/81. So let's see. It's now checking, and we have the results. Now let's see. Okay, not yet. Okay, so we have 128/70. Okay, so let's check again. Not that far, but not that close either. Okay, we have 117/81. We have 117/73. Okay, not that bad. Okay, how about the heart rate? We have 76 here. So let's check. Again, we have 76. And let's see. We have 85. 84. It is averaging now. And let's see. Okay, we have 80 compared with 76. Okay, so it's almost the same. Okay, so let's adjust. Let's see. Let's check what will be the result if we do have a simultaneous checking for the blood pressure. Okay, again, the health monitoring of the Tank M1 will not give you a result if you're not going to wear the smartwatch. Okay, so it can detect whether you are wearing your smartwatch or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, do hope that we do have a closer result. So 116/72 with a 66 bits per minute. No, 128, 116/72 here. Okay, so plus 10 or no, plus 8. So how about for the heart rate? We're going to check it again. Okay, so we move our wrist, so we cannot really sure if we do have a correct results or not. So 79 here, 80, and we have average of 81. Okay, as you can see, we have an accurate results for the heart rate. Very good. Okay, let's go back again for the blood pressure. Okay, it's now checking. So 131/72. Okay, let's see. Again, if you have any questions regarding this demo, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, the other one, the previous one is 117/82. We have here 113/83. Okay, okay, so very close. The results are okay. Okay, not that far. And let's check. I guess they have a, not that accurate, but they have a sensor here. It is not just a random sensor as when we test it. Okay, okay, 123/77. When we test it, it shows that when you are not wearing it, it will not give you any results. Or shall we say it will not, it will warn you that you're not wearing the wearable. As you can see here, please wear good and try again. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the results of the health sensor of the Kospet Tank M1 compared with the Omron medical grade device here. So not that far. Okay, the results for the heart rate is pretty accurate. Okay, so far so good with the results, although it's not that close. Okay, but so it's, I think it's okay. The results, it's okay, it's not that far. Okay, we'll see. So this one, the Tank M1 do have an upgrade. I guess that, if I'm not mistaken, it is the Kospet Tank M1 Pro. I guess the sensor there is much accurate compared to this one. So if you want to get one, go for the Kospet Tank M1 Pro. Okay, you can check out the links below. Okay, again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.